Hi guys, I showed you this wooden snake cube puzzle thing in one of my recent charity shop gold or garbage videos, and I did say I'd try and do a video on it, putting it into shape. Well, I studied it, and you can see that it's made up of units of 3 and units of 2. And being as the final cube is a 3x3 cube, I reasoned that any of the lengths of 3 have got to go side to side or top to bottom. So if you end up with 2 pointing one way with 1 extra bit overhanging, then clearly it's in the wrong place. What I'm actually doing in this particular video is cheating, because I've done the cube and I'm running the video backwards, so it looks like I'm doing it all in one go. However, I will show you another video where I do take it apart in front of the camera and put it back together, but that's a longer video. That's about 10 minutes. And it's virtually luck the way I'm doing it. The only thing I am doing is, as I say, making sure that if it's 3, it's got to be side to side or end to end. I can't give you a fixed set of steps to do it. There probably are videos that do that, but that's not what I'm doing.